Hello, today we will guide you through how to add custom sticker in CapCut on PC. To begin, open the CapCut app on your computer. Once the app is launched, look over to the left side navigation panel and click on Space. This area is where shared assets and workspace content are typically organized, so it's the right place to start when you want to add branded or reusable elements like custom stickers. After that, select the sample account shown in the workspace. This takes you into the correct space where the brand assets are stored. Once you're inside, click on Brand Kit. The Brand Kit section is where CapCut keeps items such as logos, visual elements, and stickers that you want to use across projects more easily. Now look for the Sticker section within the Brand Kit. This is where your custom sticker files will appear after they've been uploaded. When you find it, click Upload, then browse your computer and select the sample sticker PNG file. A PNG file is commonly used for stickers because it can support transparency, which helps the graphic blend nicely into your video without a background box around it. Once the file is selected, upload it. After the upload is complete, open the sample project. This will let you place the new sticker directly into an editing timeline and confirm that everything is working as expected. Inside the project, click on Sticker at the top of the editing interface. Then choose the Your section and select Brand Kit. This is the area where your uploaded sticker should now be available. If you don't see it immediately, give it a moment to finish syncing, especially if your internet connection is a little slow. When the sticker appears, drag the uploaded sticker into the timeline. This places it into your project so you can start using it in your edit. From there, you can position it where you want in the video and adjust its timing as needed within the timeline. And that's it. By uploading your sticker to the Brand Kit first, you make it easier to reuse the same asset in future projects without importing it again each time. This is especially helpful if you're working with recurring branding or a consistent visual style. Thanks for following along, and that's how to add a custom sticker in CapCut on PC.